everyone, this is Dr. Rukmani Choudhary and you're watching Everyday Health Asset. My today's topic is lactose intolerance, milk intolerance or lactose allergies or milk allergies. So requested to watch complete video for complete information. If you're watching first time, please like, share and subscribe my channel for further notifications. Start with definition. Lactose intolerance. Lactose is a kind of sugar that is found in milk obviously, and this needs a lactase enzyme. Lactase is an enzyme that breaks down the lactose. So due to any reason, if you have this enzyme, you are having deficiency of this enzyme, or there are problems in digestion or breaking down of lactose. That's why it's called lactose intolerance. So let's talk about causes and types of lactose intolerance. Majorly there are 4 types of lactose intolerance. Number 1 and the commonest one, primary lactose intolerance. Primary lactose intolerance in these kind of cases usually 5 years or 2 years. In some children, in some cases your body does not produce enough lactase, and if your body is not producing enough lactase, you are not having proper digestion of lactose. So lactase is an enzyme that is formed in your small intestine, and due to any reason, if it is not formed properly or in a sufficient amount, so there is a problem in digestion with lactose. So that's why you have a problem, and this is the commonest one. And the second one is secondary lactose intolerance. As its name, secondary, so this is usually due to other problem. These can be intestinal injuries. After a surgery you develop this condition, or intestinal disorders. These can be Crohn's disease and celiac disease. The commonest intestinal disorder, Crohn's disease and celiac disease, in which your intestine does not produce enough lactase. So you are not having enough lactase and you are having problem in lactose breakdown. And the third one is developmental lactose intolerance, resolve with the time, and this fall under like when the baby is born prematurely, so they are having less formation of lactase, but with time their body start formation of lactase on its own. So this is not required any kind of treatment. And the last one and the rarest one is, we call it the congenital lactose intolerance. Congenital means by birth. So this is a rare to rarer condition, and this usually happen when both the parent, they are lactose intolerant, and they passes gene to their baby. So this is the rarest one, but yes, this is found. So these are the common types and causes of lactose intolerance. Now the symptom part. You have when you intolerance, you don't have any problem, but once you have dairy milk product in the more quantity, and so you develop couple of symptoms, and these are gastric problems, like you have motion after having 30 minutes or 60 minutes, you have problem like you have motion, or you have even diarrhea, there are loose motions, you are having gas formation, flatulence, bloated tummy, bloated abdomen. So you develop all these symptoms after taking any dairy product. After taking 30 minutes of any dairy product, you develop these symptoms. Symptom also depend that how much quantity you are having, because if you're taking a smaller quantity, your body can digest and there are no problem, but you are taking on a heavy quantity, larger quantity, so there is a problem while digesting these kind of product, dairy product. So you develop these kind of symptoms. Rest depends on the causes. What causes you fall under what category, what types you fall, what is your individual case, whether you are having any intestinal problem or you had whether it's a genetical problem. So your symptom depends on that condition also. Right. So what are the treatment option in homeopathy for lactose intolerant? Homeopathy focuses on individual approach. What is your case? We also focus on your holistic approach, like what other symptom you're having, though you are lactose intolerant, but whether it's a case of chronic one, or it's a adult one, or it's in a kid case. So the case medicines link you will find in description box below, but you don't have to buy all the medicine, not required. Just follow what symptom you have, and accordingly just try to match these medicine with your symptom and use medicine accordingly. So let's start with the Aethusa cynapium. Aethusa cynapium, the number one remedy for lactose intolerant, and this is usually used in children among kid cases. Aethusa sinapum, the kid, they have milk intolerance and even vomiting after having milk, or there is a loose motion, greenish stool, they have cramp is there, sometimes constipation, cramp. So all these symptoms developed after taking milk or milk dairy product. So this is in the drop form. So just give 1 or 2 drops with the help of dropper, 1 or 2 drops 2 or 3 times in a day before having your meal. In link given in description box below. If you magnesium mure, again a very good remedy in homeopathy for lactose intolerant. Magnesium mure is used when you have blister formation. After taking milk, you are having blister formation in your cheek, on your tongue, around your lips. So this gives amazing result when you are having lactose intolerance. With that, you are having blister formation. Apis mellifica usually given in allergic reactions. When you having there is a edema, allergic reaction, there are rashes, and after you taking milk. So if you are having milk and after that you develop allergic reaction, so you can take help of Apis mellifica 30 or 200 potency. This is the company's color. This may differ the place you belong, and this is the quantity. You can go with even a smaller quantity. Just take with the help of dropper. Same way, 1 or 2 drops 2 or 3 times in a day before having your meal. Netrum carb, again a very good remedy in cases of milk intolerance or lactose intolerance. The color differ with the company. So again, the bigger quantity, go with the smaller quantity. Netrum carb is used when you are lactose intolerant and you're having sour smell from your stool, and you're having yellowish stool, and sometimes there are blood in the stool. You're having bleeding stool or frequent stool, sometimes constipation. So this is very good remedy. Lac defloratum is used in homeopathy when you are having headache, nausea, vomiting after taking milk, dairy or milk product. So hopefully this video gives some amount of help. If you find this video knowledgeable, informative, please like, share and subscribe my channel for further notification. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching. Keep watching, keep supporting. Thank you so much.